Okay guys, so this is the best setting for infinite design. Now you have to know that this is my own custom made best setting, so you're free to set it any way you like, but I am going to give you the reasons why I said this is the best setting. Now let's go to your work and try it out. So let's say we're working on this project. Yeah. So let's say we're working on this project and then we need to shade or color whatever. Now I'll advise you to keep your toolbar up here. I advise you to keep your toolbar up here and not by the corner here, not by this corner here, so it doesn't disturb your flow and your work when you're working. And then apart from that, now this is my own colorway. I can see that it's different from your own probably. Now this is how I changed it. Settings, because I selected it here, so that brown or different ones. But I prefer this because because here you can change your saturation and then you can change your hue, and at the same time you can change different colors. It's easier for me to understand, like easier for me to work with. And then I prefer black. Now here's why I like black, because you have to, as much as possible, reduce the brightness that's going to your eyes so you don't end up having eye issues. And then also change the canvas itself to dark when I'm working. So for double tap, we'll leave it as nothing. If you press double tap as anything, you're going to have issues while drawing. You're going to have so many issues while drawing. Just leave it as nothing. Don't press. You can leave it as edit. You can leave it as eyedropper. I normally leave it as eyedropper. Volume keys, I leave it as nothing to avoid me not making any mistakes. So after this, you press your back arrow. You take it to the drawing. Now note though, for some versions of the app, once you press that back arrow, this is what's going to happen. If you notice here, all this space now, all this setting stuff are all showing that are giving issues. So what you just do is minimize, clear your minimize layer, then come back into infinite design, and it will load just perfectly. Now if you notice, it's cleared up our face. Before this, you have first to make sure that that the work wasn't, the layer wasn't switched off. If the layer was switched off, then you want it back. If it wasn't switched off, just like I did, press back, press discard. Don't save that work. Press discard and go back, and now you can see that the whole face and the whole artwork is showing. Once you see it on the preface there, where to show you the artwork itself, just press it, so you can see that I've gotten my work back. But if you had pressed back and save, you would have lost that work. So please be very, very careful about that.